Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send reminder emails in PandaDoc. All right, so first up, just go ahead and log into your PandaDoc account. Now, for example, in here in our dashboard, in the home section, go to waiting for others. Okay, as you can see here, it's been sent, but it's not yet completed. So to send a reminder, you have two options. Okay, first up, just hover your mouse into the document and go to the far right, click on three dots and send a reminder. Click on it. It says here a reminder has been sent. Another option, for example, you are currently in the document. Okay, just wait for it. Now, once you're in here, just go to the top right and click on three dots. Okay, here, go ahead and click on settings and just click on reminders. Okay, it says here automatically send reminders to signers until a document is completed or expired. All you have to do is just turn this on. Now, delivery method right here could be via email or text. And first reminder, set the date. Okay, if you want to repeat the reminder, it could be every 7 days or every 1 day. Okay, it says here, please enter a number between 1 and 180. That is it. Once that's done, just hit on apply and you're good to go. It says here, auto reminder settings have been saved. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.